What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and today here we are once again with another drone drop. Let's hope this is a good one, because I almost canceled last month's, because even though it was some decent stuff, and I did build the Oblivion, I'm getting both boxes, and paying $100 a month for these things is kind of crazy. But let's see. We'll see how this one goes. Now, the value's been there, but as far as for me and the stuff that I like to use, Quad Box has been more on the game. For me. But everybody has their things. So let's check out June's, see what we got. Oh, and what do you know? Another pack of Ethics stickers. Now, third month in a row that I've gotten the same pack of stickers. Drone drop. Do you really think I need more Ethics stickers? Just a thought. Just something to think about. Alright, this looks like a battery bag. Let's start with the props. I see Popo Quick Swap. These are 5.1 by 4.6 by 3. These are the newer HQ props that just came out. I'm actually kind of excited about these because I definitely wanted to try them. Now, I don't have any Popo shafted motors, but these are also set up for the pop-on, pop-off shaft motors from Lumineer, Get FPV. They got little ball bearings that hold in these dimples here. But they'll still fit a standard shaft, so I want to definitely try these because I've used the 5.1 by 5.1s, and I do like those props. If you have a drone that can fit them. So anyway, 3, and I think the teal is kind of a cool color. So 3 sets of props. We got this guy sitting here, so it looked like we got an Omnibus F4 by Airbot. Airbot generally makes hit or miss products, as far as I know. But they have some nicer stuff. This looks like last year's Omnibus F4. Nothing too exciting about that. Yeah, literally last year's F4. I mean, it's got all the basics that you need: an F4 chip, OSD, plenty of UARTs. This one's cool if you're going to hook it up on a wing or some servo connectors. You can add those in there. But, just a basic Omnibus. I think these are 20 or 30 bucks nowadays. Nothing too exciting, because I got a DYS F4 last month from Quad Box. Alright, we got some rubber mountain bobbins, a Rotor X battery strap. Looks to be some LEDs, Tiny's LEDs. These are kind of cool. Now, I guess we'll have to figure out what kind of voltage this takes. Doesn't say. Just says plus minus. Tiny's LEDs. These are your pads. Don't know what color. Don't know what voltage. That's kind of crazy. And then we got a LiPo protected pouch. Branded Team Black Sheep. I mean, this is definitely a nice thing to have. Everybody should have their batteries in the LiPo pouch, for sure. Let's see, we've got not too big. It's kind of just like a pouch. I don't know how many batteries you can fit in there, but there you go, LiPo pouch. I'll probably keep my smaller batteries in here. You can always use another one. Alright, so what do we got this month? Team Black Sheep LiPo pouch. Pop on, pop off props. These are newer props. A basic Omnibus F4. The same stickers that we've got 4 months in a row. Some rubber bobbins and some tiny LEDs, which I have no absolute clue what voltage, color, or anything that they take. So there you go. There is the drone drop for the month of June. Take this stuff as a grain of salt, It's kind of your choice on what stuff that you like and if you think it's worth the money. Last month and this month, I don't think I'm getting hurt on the value, but For me, I mean, and I get what Ethics does. You know, they kind of focus on products that are more proven, that work, that give you a good experience, and I'm down with that. I'm totally down with that because I have some quads that, you know, they just work, so I leave them alone, and then I have some things that I like to play with more forward, advancing technology. So, I don't know. I could tell you one thing: I won't be keeping both of these running for next month. I think for me, like Rotor Riot and the Quad Box is more up my alley. You know, I love the T-shirts. It's, you know, it's just two different styles, and you can really see it now that the months are progressing. Just definitely two different like styles of way these are put together, and you can tell like who's putting them together. Like Team Black Sheep, great company, they make great products. You know, the stuff that that you're going to get out of these boxes are definitely going to be good, usable product, but not quite as forward in the technology thing there. So that's kind of my opinion on the matter. But this is the stuff here. I would probably never. I mean, it's good to have a backup, but I'm not going to use that. That's not super new, super functional. The LEDs, you know, bobbins, this is all plain stuff, regular stuff. So there you go. That's the drone drop for June. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.